Barb.
And I'm Paul, and this is Travels with B&P. In this video, we start in Cape Town, heading north along the west coast of Africa to Namibia, where we made 2 stops.
After Namibia, we went to Benin, Ghana, and Togo.
From there, we went on to the Gambia, and finally, we finished up in Senegal.
Hope you enjoy our tour of West Africa. On our first night in Walvis Bay, Signature Travel Network hosted us to dinner in the dunes.
We traveled north out of Walvis Bay up towards Swakopmund, and then east about 20 kilometers up into the desert, where we had cocktails and then a fabulous dinner under the stars. It really was magical. Here we are in Walvis Bay, day 2. We're getting ready for Sandwich Harbour 4x4 tour. And the tour vehicle, getting ready to go.
So we're in Walvis Bay, looking at the flamingos here in this very shallow lagoon. 2 different species of flamingos, according to our guide, greater flamingo and lesser flamingo. They sleep standing on 1 foot, and half their brain is always awake.
Today we are on a Sandwich Harbour tour, a 4x4. We're just coming into the national park, headed towards the lighthouse. It's another 38 kilometers out to the lighthouse, but quite interesting. Seeing some animals, seeing some geckos. Not seeing any seals yet, so keep your eyes peeled.
Saw a black striped jackal a little bit ago, just laying in the sand looking at us, posing for the pictures. Must be paid by the Tourist Bureau.
So stay with us and let's see what else we see.
This is Africa calling. Wake up, good morning.
Big sand dunes, roaring waves behind us. Sandwich Harbour is named for a German shipwreck, Sundfish, something like that, and kind of got anglicized to being Sandwich Harbour. We're having a great time plowing through the dunes. I think our driver's having a good time too. Stunning views, lots of bird life. We saw an oryx, we saw a jackal, a couple jackals, and small insects, including worms and geckos.
Is that considered poisonous?
Yes.
Enjoying our tour.
Oh, really?
Oh, the other guy. Boys would like it. You'd like it.
We do sometimes, we also do sandboarding.
Yeah, he's done that in New Zealand.
Springbok down there.
Yesterday we find the Springboks there around about 50. Yes, when we come back it was 5 o'clock. That's still a young one there.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Hey Harry, what's going on?
We have a little performance of it. Very nice.
Good. You gonna show us some moves?
Me, I'm not the biggest dancer. I was not really designed with rhythm.
When Seabourn Sojourn comes to a port, usually a local performance. Today we're in the port of Tema, which is the harbor port for the capital city of Accra. We're going to hop on a bus and go to a Ghanaian cooking school.
But we're going to stop first to buy some supplies at a local market. So looking forward to visiting the market and then on to the cooking school. And of course, at the end, we eat what we made. So if we're still standing, it'll have been a success.
Let's get cooking. So we are at the prisoners market. I think we're going to see fruits and vegetables, probably some produce. We're going to buy our supplies for the meal that we will be cooking later with the Ghanaian chef. Big variety of things. From food items to housewares, snacks, drinks. So we took a little dip into the market, narrow passageways, but lots of produce and lots of variety of items. Everything from toilet paper to flip-flops, sand buckets. See some school children here. Variety of shops. Lots of different stuff for sale. Very narrow passageways though, and it's a very warm day. We got introduced to the Ghanaian cooking school. We started off with rice that was cooked in a tomato sauce and really thickened up. Built off most of the moisture. The sauce had cumin and ginger and curry in it. Pretty tasty. We also pan-seared a piece of chicken and then finished it off in the oven. After that, we made a coleslaw of cabbage and carrots with hard-boiled egg whites in it. Quite different. We topped it off with a green sauce of spring onions and chili peppers. They looked like little Scotch bonnets. I don't think they had the heat of the Scotch bonnet, but they were tiny and powerful. Anyway, we enjoyed the cooking demonstration and class. We got to eat our own food, and there were a lot of empty plates.
Well, it's Sunday morning. We're here in Banjul, the Gambia. I'm just getting ready to do a little tour around Banjul. 3 or 4 hours. Lots of vendors selling things here on the pier. This is the central mosque here in Banjul, the largest mosque in the area.
you can have a look. You will not need to go inside.
And the left-hand side goes to the airport, and the one right-hand side the ticket, daily ticket to the capsule every day.
Off the main street, back in here. Small market. Lots of fabrics.
And madam, if you want to have it relaxed, you can sit down. You want to have it?
Kinds of different fabrics, tie-dye.
You see from the design, we select the place we need white, we cover that part. So from the wax, it's white color. You get a little. Go to yellow and blue, you get green, you fix the green with wax. Go to red and green, you get brown, you fix the brown with wax. Go to blue and brown, you get black. Then those will go to the space where the design is. Finally, you dip them in hot water to wash the wax out. So you have them hanging over there. And these ones are t-shirts. I make a batik t-shirt here. You see the t-shirt? I make them. And it never washed away.
Camera. Hello. Now we're visiting a small museum, and supposed to be the crocodiles here. So, not sure exactly what we're going to see, but following the group.
Are you okay? And you see these animals here, why they are here, because people get this from believing that
So here we are at the crocodile pool, and they said there are over 100 crocodiles here. A number of them out just sunning, since they're cold-blooded. They need to sit in the sun to warm up. Back on the bus after visiting the Holy Crocodile Pool here at the craft market. Lots of arts and crafts, lots of carved things. We probably have enough things to fill a suitcase to come home. It's been a good tour, good day here in Banjul in the Gambia.